Hey, this is Abu Dukuri, founder and CEO here at Vizetto. We created Reactiv SUITE to solve one major problem. Remote meetings suck. We all know it. They're boring. It's difficult to pay attention. People just talk with the slide deck. We wanted to make them interactive, engaging, and over the last 18 months, we've conducted 70,000 hours of presentations on our platform, and our users worldwide have seen an increase of a minimum of 150% in engagement. And you know what? Don't listen to me. See what they have to say.
Reactiv SUITE it's the jam, it's the bomb, it's amazing. Like, I get the reaction going, I felt like I was kind of actually there in the room with you, which is what we're looking for.
So the intuitive nature to be able to bring up any content from any device, from any source, enables me to stand out in my meetings and create more memorable experiences.
Like, it sucks standing there speaking to a camera and there's 50 names on the screen, not a single face, and all I can see is my own slide. It's really not very engaging. Underlining and circling and interacting reinforces for them what I'm talking about.
What I also like is the added bringing people's opinions and thoughts and bringing them into the presentation. So they're part of the presentation. It's not such a one-sided thing.
It allows you to have a meaningful presentation that you can recap at the end, and guess what? It allows you to have more efficient follow-up with the customer.
Reactiv, first off, has really changed the engagement of my presentations. Software was easy to use, it really grabs attention, and again, it helps you stand out.
That even I could use Reactiv SUITE. So I love the platform. It's a beautiful platform for anybody who's into presenting, that has to present online, whether it's to a group or to one-to-one.
The big difference for me is that it made it fun again.